The BlackBerry Passport is a smartphone that was released in October 2014. It features a square-shaped display that measures 4.5 inches diagonally, and it has a compact physical keyboard. Critics commended the device's quality, especially its screen and keyboard, and its ability to work seamlessly in a business environment. Its lack of a physical home button and its irregular form factor were also criticized. In January 2014, John Chen, the new CEO of BlackBerry Limited, indicated that the company would focus on the enterprise market following the failure of its flagship device, the BlackBerry 10. In June, he teased two new models, the BlackBerry Passport and the Q10, which featured square displays. The company's return to its core business focus prompted it to create a device that is both recognizable and practical. The Passport's design was also influenced by the universal symbol of mobility. Another key feature that the company mentioned was its ability to display up to 60 characters per line. The development of the Passport started in 2013 and, despite its unusual form factor, CEO John Chen believed that it had unique design qualities that would stand out from the competition. It was officially released on September 24, 2014. Let's talk about specifications. The Passport features a 4.5-inch LCD display with a 1440 by 2560 resolution, making it the largest and most widescreen phablet. It's powered by a quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor and comes with a non-removable 3500 mAh battery. The Passport was preloaded with BlackBerry 10.3, which included new features such as the BlackBerry Assistant, a digital assistant that enables the user to access various information from their device. Now we are in 2021, and we all miss the masterpiece from BlackBerry. Let's hope BlackBerry will produce the Android version of BlackBerry Passport.